knew something was wrong when my daughter stopped messaging me back. I began looking. With the help of family and friends, we searched in all places she would be. I could hear her voice during this time. Psst, I love you. I miss you so much. Our family lived in a nightmare, filled with turmoil, till time stood still in our hearts. Her name was Nature. Her Cree name in English is Earth Walks on Moon. Nature was my firstborn, and with her arrival, we had 5 generations together on Earth. She always had a simplistic love that was unconditional. She trusted too easy and didn't guard her heart. She always chose to see the good in other people, and a lot of times she would get misused by hurtful people. One of the last messages I received from her on Facebook was a meme. It said, "No matter who left, she was and always will be there, 100%. My mom." I knew she was in trouble, and I reported her missing. And later in the same month, 3 arrived at our door to bring us the horrific news. We viewed her body 2 different times, but in the last viewing that was set on the day before Mother's Day, I wanted to hold her one last time. I wanted to give honor and dignity to my sweet little, with anointing her and smudging her and clothing her with love as she entered the spirit world. One of my fondest memories I have is when she said, "Mom, I want you to come outside and hear my victory cry." And so we did, and all I could say was, "Wow, my girl, so proud of you." And she said, "I'm still learning my victory cry. One day, I will teach it to our boys, but I shouldn't be the one."